How to manage notifications on Dropbox app. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to manage notifications on Dropbox in easy fast way. First thing, go to Dropbox. This is the home page. Now go to the top corner, click on those three lines and go down, click on settings. After you click on settings, it will take you here. Now scroll down again like this until you find manage notifications option, as you can see right here. Now click on it, and as you can see, you can now turn off or turn on whatever you want from here. You have mentions, notifications, comments on files, tasks, and file and folders shared with me. Also you have file I download. Everything can be turned on or off. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching until the end.